I got to meet Dr. Nuzum, my husband, in Mexico when he was doing his medical internship about 20 years ago. I was definitely interested in his character. I had never met a man like him. He was very kind and sweet and just genuine, down to earth. I was very interested in the stuff that he was doing in Mexico. He was doing research and helping a lot of people. He was working down in the tribes, and it was just a fun guy to be around. So
when we first started dating, she had some minor issues. It was after we lost our second child that she had some major health issues show up after that. Some major life-threatening health issues that showed up after that.
After we lost Angelo, I definitely went into a really tough life crisis. I really just wanted to die. I didn't understand why that would have happened. But I don't like to talk about it. I know that there's a reason and a purpose for these to happen, and so that I can connect with those other ladies and women. I know what it feels like to be lost and searching for answers, and I know what it's like to not have those at times in your life.
After we lost the baby, I thought I lost her too. You know, she went into major depression. She had massive health problems. She was so ill, physically ill, but she felt terrible. You know, she was depressed. She lost a baby. She also had been told after losing the baby that we'd never have children.
You know, Dan, you know, seeing me not feel well, and here he's helping everyone, and of course he, you know, was the first one to try to help me and get my health back.
I was desperate to help her. You know, we had a little boy, and I didn't want him to grow up without his mom. You know, I'd helped so many other people. The real test is whether you can help someone that close. That's the real test, you know. And so for me, that was a massive test for me, both to keep my composure, but also to come up with something that would actually help.
And so I told him, you know, whatever's going on, I know it's not good. I know it just seems like my body is just falling apart. And I told him, I don't want to know. I just don't think I could handle this mentally after the loss of Angelo.
She was so bad, I had taken her to a friend of mine, and he pulled me aside afterwards. He said, "Doc," showed me the test results and scans and things like that. And I'm like, oh boy. And she had cancer that was detected in 3 places. She had ulcerative colitis and was losing a lot of blood, and it was really bad. I thought we were going to lose her for sure. And almost immediately after that, we started her on our products and on our detox programs and things. We did our immune protocol, and after 2 years, she wasn't bleeding anywhere. She had no tumors growing anywhere. She had energy again. She was not depressed. She was back to herself, you know. And lo and behold, pregnant. Okay, and that was 13 years ago. My oldest daughter is here today because of all of that. And since then, we've had 3 more children, and so we have a very happy family now. And it's wonderful. Pharmaceutical companies and, you know, big conglomerates, they tend not to like folks that do what I do, because we help people transform their lives. They go from sick and ill, needing medications to stay alive, to well, where they don't need medications anymore. You know, our motivation is no different than
being in the clinic, except with drnuzum.com, instead of only reaching one person every hour, we can reach thousands of people every day. This is our passion. This is what we're trying to bring, what we've been giving to our patients to the public now. It doesn't matter what you're suffering from. Your body was designed to heal. And if you set the stage for it to heal, it will heal, okay? That stage gets set by detoxifying and by rebuilding. If you follow the process, it doesn't matter what you're suffering from. Your diagnosis is relatively irrelevant. What has to happen is you have to follow the steps. You follow the steps, your body fixes itself. It's as simple as that.
My sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. So please don't take my sunshine away.